Worried about cavities ruining your smile? You're not alone. Many people feel anxious about their dental health, especially as new research shows how common tooth decay is becoming. But don't worry, there are practical steps you can take to protect your teeth and keep your smile bright for years to come. The good news is, you can prevent tooth decay naturally with a few simple lifestyle changes. Choosing the right foods, maintaining good oral hygiene, and making small adjustments to your daily routine can make a huge difference. It's easier than you might think. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mark Evans, and in this guide I'm sharing 6 expert tips to stop tooth decay in 2025. These tips are based on the latest dental research and my years of experience helping patients achieve healthier smiles. These are the same tips I give my patients every day, and I'm excited to share them with you so you can take control of your oral health. Let's dive right in and discover how you can keep your teeth strong and cavity-free. Let's talk about sugar. It's everywhere: cookies, candies, sodas, and even in foods you might not expect. There's no denying it tastes amazing and can be hard to resist, especially when you're craving a quick snack or a sweet treat after a meal. But here's the catch. Sugar is also your teeth's worst enemy. Eating too much sugar can lead to toothaches, cavities, and even long-term dental problems that are painful and expensive to fix. Cavity-causing bacteria in your mouth absolutely love sugar. When you eat sweets, these bacteria feed on the sugar and produce acids that attack your enamel, the protective layer of your teeth, making them weaker over time. Tip 1. Try to cut back on sweets whenever you can. Choose healthier snacks like fruit, nuts, or yogurt instead of reaching for candy or cookies. You don't have to quit sugar entirely, but being mindful of your intake makes a big difference. Check nutrition labels. Keep track of how much sugar you're eating, and try to limit added sugars in your diet. Swap sugary sodas and fruit juices for water or unsweetened tea. These drinks are much better for your teeth and help keep your mouth clean and hydrated. Watch out for hidden sugars in foods like salad dressings, sauces, and even some breads. Sugar can sneak into your diet in surprising ways, so always check the ingredients list. By making these small changes, you'll protect your teeth and keep your smile bright and healthy. Your teeth will definitely thank you. Next up, let's talk about fluoride, a key ingredient in most toothpaste that's essential for keeping your teeth strong and healthy. Fluoride acts like a superhero for your enamel, making your teeth much more resistant to acid attacks from sugary foods and drinks, and helping to repair early signs of tooth decay before they become a bigger problem. To get the most benefit, brush with fluoride toothpaste twice a day, every single day, making it a regular part of your morning and night routine. Spend at least 2 minutes brushing each time, making sure you reach every tooth, even those tricky ones at the back, for a thorough clean. Always use a soft bristled brush to protect your gums and avoid damaging your enamel, brushing gently in small circles. Brushing with fluoride toothpaste is like giving your teeth a suit of armor, helping you keep your smile bright, healthy, and strong for years to come. Flossing might seem tedious, but it's essential. Brushing can't reach the tight spaces between your teeth. Plaque and food love to hide there. Floss daily to remove what your toothbrush can't and keep your gums healthy. If floss is tricky, try interdental brushes. A clean mouth is a happy mouth. Your teeth need the right nutrients to stay strong. Calcium builds strong teeth. Find it in dairy like milk, cheese, and yogurt. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Get it from fatty fish, eggs, and fortified foods. Leafy greens are packed with vitamins and minerals for oral health. Eat well for a healthier smile. Here's a simple tip. Use a straw for acidic drinks. It helps keep acids away from your teeth, reducing enamel erosion. After drinking something acidic, rinse your mouth with water to neutralize acids. Small changes make a big difference. Chewing sugar-free gum with xylitol after meals is great for your teeth. Xylitol doesn't feed bacteria and helps stimulate saliva, which neutralizes acids. Chew for about 20 minutes after eating. It's a mini workout for your mouth. There you have it, 6 expert tips to prevent tooth decay naturally. Want a breakthrough dental trick? Watch the Navy Tooth Repair Hack video linked below. Subscribe for more dental tips and keep smiling. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.